Check out this clip by ℍ𝕠𝕡𝕥𝕥, an acclaimed author, a coach, and what Sports Illustrated called the best brain trainer in the world. Let's check it out.
Which brings me to a concept that you got from your dad about hope and how powerful that is. How can people use hope? Why does it matter? How does that fit into this equation?
Yeah, I think my dad's belief was when you become helpless, you become hopeless. And when I feel like I can control my behavior, when I feel like I'm in control of, even if I'm going through cancer, even if I'm going through a difficult challenge, even if I'm going through a reorg in a business, you know, if I still feel like, okay, this is not optimal, but there's something I can do, then I'm helpful to myself. And when I'm helpful, I'm hopeful. And when I'm helpless, I'm hopeless. So my dad's belief always was to make hope a habit. And that hope is the most powerful medicine that we all have. And then I think we have to believe that we can influence our future.
Now he speaks to making hope a habit. You gotta make hope a habit. You can get crushed in the crypto industry. You can get crushed in life, but you have to find habits that inspire hope. I often find that comes from loved ones, that comes from connecting to nature. It's essentially a gratitude practice in connecting to the things that truly matter to you. In this undying belief that you have influence over your future, that you take full responsibility, extreme ownership, and you create